I bought this variable buck converter from AliExpress the other day, and when I plugged it in, something unusual happened. That's obviously not right. This LED display here should be displaying the output in volts, and it's displaying garbage. Let's see if we can still use it. So here's this variable buck converter. What it does is accepts input voltage from this USB micro plug, and it outputs either through this end or through the USB here, and you can change what's being output with this potentiometer. So as you move it around, you can change the voltage. But as you can see, what's being shown on here makes absolutely no sense. I have no idea what voltage that's currently outputting. So I'm wondering, can I still use this? Is it just the display that's busted? Or is the whole thing completely fritzed? So the first thing we need to do is find out what the voltage is. So let's bring in our handy dandy multimeter here. I'm going to set it to volts DC. Then I'm going to connect negative to negative, positive to positive. Okay, and that's showing we've got 4.83. What this says is half a character 2.8. So we really can't use this, but if we twiddle the variable resistor there, can I get this to a consistent 5 volts? Just a little bit of a twiddle there. There you go, 5 volts, or half a number 8.5 on this thing. So this display is completely useless. But the actual power output's not bad. You'll notice it's not wandering up and down. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad at all. So let's see what we can get up to, because this thing is rated for 24 volts or something stupid. Let's just take it up to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I can get a very consistent 5 or 12 volts out of this, which means it'll do exactly what I want. So that's not a bad thing. So let's test it in a circuit to see if it'll actually work. Let's get this stuff all out of the way. Here's a nice little test circuit that I use for things. It's got a little voltmeter on it here. So let's put the positive into here. Oh, actually, let's make that 5 volts again before we do that. Yeah, let's not blow everything up. Definitely don't want to blow that up. I cause safety briefings. I absolutely do. Okay, so that's 12 volts again. Twiddle, 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 twiddle. Takes a lot of twiddling. Okay, roughly 5 volts, close enough. All right, so if we disengage all of this. So, positive in here, negative in here. So our little LED lights up. And if I put the little voltmeter in here that I've got, that says 5.06. So close enough. So this thing does work. It's just the display that's balked. Yeah. So one day I could possibly even desolder that. So you can see on the back there, it's got a bunch of pins. Desolder that, find out what's wrong with it, put another one on. Yeah, but not today. But just to give you some idea of what it should look like, let's unplug this one, get my little tester circuit out of the way. Here's another one I already had. And you'll see that makes a lot more sense. 3.88, 4.45, 4.87, 5.06. So that's what it should look like, and doesn't. But everything else seems to work. It just seems to be the display. So that's the fun and games of buying things from AliExpress. Not a big issue. I can still use it. And I didn't manage to blow up my test circuit with 12 volts, even though I tried really hard. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.